Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for fisheries and aquaculture business. So I have a fisheries and aquaculture business, and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now in order to do this, I need to build a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm using WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to send an automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for fisheries and aquaculture business. So I have a fisheries and aquaculture business, and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the All Applications page by Pabbly Connect. So to access my dashboard, here I'm going to click on Access Now. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this Create Workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as Send Automated WhatsApp Message to Facebook Leads. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook Lead Ads Automation, because this is the automation for Facebook Lead Ads. And here I'm going to click on Create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of our trigger application, and in a workflow, we can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for fisheries and aquaculture business. In order to automate this entire process, I will go to my trigger window, and as I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads, so here Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. And as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my leads, so here to send the message, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. Here it is. And the action event will be to send template message. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is to send automated WhatsApp message to my Facebook leads. So here to automate it, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply click on Connect with Facebook lead ads because I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on Connect, and the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. So here I need to select the Facebook page that I've created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is the Facebook page that I've created for my business by the name of Splash Haven Aquaculture. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this page drop down, I'm going to search for my page and select it. Once I've selected the page, now I need to select the lead gen form associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ad forms. So I want to use this lead ad form by the name of Splash Haven Aquaculture Contact Form, and this is how the form looks like. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select it as my lead gen form. So as I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now in order to do that, I will go to this new tab, and here I am going to search for Meta for Developers. So here I will go to the page. So here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. And now I will go to Tools. And under Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our connection. So here from this page drop down, I'm going to search for my page, and here is my page. After selecting my page, now I'm going to select the lead gen form which I'm going to use. So as I've selected the page and the form, here I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the lead ad form, and I filled in the details of full name, phone number and the email. So now I'm going to submit this form. And here it says, thanks, you are all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect, and yes, over here you can see that I have received a response. Here is the full name, phone number, email, and here is the created date and time along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I have just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've captured the lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to send them an automated WhatsApp message. So in order to do that, firstly I need to establish a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So to mention these details, here are the instructions given below. Read it carefully. So I've already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So this here is Meta for developers. Over here, I will go to WhatsApp, and now I will go to API setup from this drop down. So here in API setup, this here the access token is given. So I'm going to copy it, and in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste the same. Once I've done that for phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID, again from here I'm going to copy it and I'm going to mention it in Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to copy the WhatsApp business account ID, and here in Pabbly Connect I've mentioned it. So as I've mentioned these details, here I'm going to click on save. And you can see that WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the template name. So here in WhatsApp Manager, these are the message templates. If you want to create a new one, you can simply click on this create template button and create a new template. So here I've already created a template by the name of new leads. So here is the template that I've created by the name of new lead message, and I want to use this template. So I'm going to show you the template. So this here is the template, and this here is the content. It goes as, hello, thank you for choosing us. We got your details. One of our team member will assist you in a while. Thanks. So here after hello, this is a variable. So this variable is for name. That means this will keep on changing accordingly as per I'm going to receive the new leads through Facebook lead ads. After hello, as I want to mention the name of the Facebook lead. So this variable will make sure that it will keep on changing accordingly as per the new responses that will be received. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the template name as new lead message, and here it is. So as I selected the template name, it has automatically detected the language code and the template ID. Now moving to the recipient mobile number. So over here to mention this, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map it. Now in the body field, I'm going to map the name of the lead. So as you can see that I've mapped the details in these fields. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So in order to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. And over here you can see that I have received the response, and this here is a positive one. So while I've clicked on save and send test request, I've mentioned my actual number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message. Now I'm going to show you the WhatsApp message, and this here is the WhatsApp message that has been sent. So here you can see that after hello, here is the name of the Facebook lead, and here is the body content, and it ends with thanks. So that means an automated WhatsApp message is successfully sent to the lead. So this automation is a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead through WhatsApp Cloud API. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.